Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can view Instagram profile picture in bigger size. So this is my account and let's suppose that I want to view my profile picture in bigger size. So this is my username Nauman Khan 00. So you will go on Google and you will type this view Instagram profile picture and you will click on the first link in flagged. Okay, view Instagram profile picture in full size, then you will click on this one and then you will have to type the username of account. So in my case my username is this Nauman underscore Khan 00, and then you will click on download option. So after entering my name and after I click on download option, you will scroll down and now you can see the profile picture in bigger size. So let's suppose if I want to download this picture, I will click on download and I will click on download and the file is downloaded and I will click on open, and now you can see the profile picture in bigger size. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.